Motorhead Garage, presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, is brought to you by Magic Creeper, the most versatile creeper ever. BLP Racing Products, fueling your passion for extreme performance. Osprey Custom 4x4, we build functional art. And by Dorman Products, driving new solutions. Time now for the lowdown with Magic Creeper.
The Magic Creeper, we use it for lots of stuff here around the studio. You know, if you've been watching the show, you can use it in your vehicle. Carry it with you. It only weighs 3 pounds. You can roll it up, take it anywhere you go. If you get in trouble on the side of the road, the Magic Creeper is going to come in handy. You can also use it to work on your car in the driveway. Get underneath. You can use it as a fender cover in case you don't want to get your clothes dirty or you don't want to scratch your vehicle. The Magic Creeper has all kinds of uses around the house, and you are going to love it. The pros love it too, and we're not just talking automotive pros. We talked to our friends at Wholesale Supply in Kingsport, Tennessee. They get electricians and plumbers coming through their place all the time, and those guys love the Magic Creeper too.
There's a lot of people ask about it, and we just tell them, I said, this is what you need right here. I first thought, what is this contraption? I said, this thing won't work. And then I laid it out. I said, man, this is the shiznit. I said, this is Big Daddy right here. I've been a plumber for over 30 some years. It would save my back plenty of times. I've always had scrapes and scuff on my back when I get up under a kitchen sink or beside a toilet and everything. It works perfect. The Wholesale Supply Group, we cater to contractors, people off the street, homeowners, electricians, plumbers, HVAC guys. Electricians get in small spaces, plumbers do too, just like under a kitchen sink. It would save your back with that edge, rolled edge. Man, it feels great.
One of the things I love most about visiting New Hampshire Oil is to see how they innovate, how they're constantly evolving, and how they're always changing their products to keep their customers happy. And Joe, you're working here on the viscometer. What are you brewing?
We're actually checking the viscosity. It's part of our quality control program.
Excellent. And once you test that here and some other characteristics, how do you then test the durability or the longevity of your product?
So we're going to test for viscosity, we're going to test for sag and stability. Then we're going to put it into our B117 testing cabinet, which is recognized as worldwide standard for testing. That's going to actually apply a measured heated salt mist fog over the metal chips that we put in there, and we then can gauge the performance of our products against previous batches and competitors.
How important is it for you to keep moving, to keep innovating like this?
It's in my DNA. I mean, there's so much technology out there, and I'm always curious to see if we can utilize it to improve the product.
Of course, you have the lab here. You have a team of chemists that works for you as well. But you also have the biggest laboratory, maybe in the world, the entire New England region.
That's really the only test that counts. It's real-world testing. How does it perform on your vehicle? And so, yes, we monitor the vehicles that come through here on a regular basis.
Well, you can see the products, you can see how they develop them, you can see what they can do for you at NHOilUndercoating.com. Well, that's going to have to do it for this episode of Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coatings, because we're getting kicked out of our studio. That's because our friends from Knoxcrete and Resin Works are putting new floors in our brand new studio, so next time you see us, it is going to look fabulous. But don't you worry, we're going to make good use of our time because we are headed to Las Vegas to the annual SEMA show. Thousands of vendors from the aftermarket world to show off their wares, and we are your first class ticket. Tune in next week. You don't want to miss it. Motorhead Garage at SEMA.